All right, hello everybody. Welcome back to Pro Am Outdoors. Today we're out here at Lake Waco going up the North Bosque to do some awesome white bass fishing. I'm gonna use 5 different lures to catch 5 white bass 5 different ways. There's one. Fish on. Fish on, son. Got one on right here. I just got nailed. Slowing down, I got nailed, dude. Look at that. There he is, boy. Oh my goodness. Nailed that sucker too. There, that little boy got 3 in a row right there off that spitter. There he is. Woo! There's a good hole down there? All right. See if I can get by y'all real quick. And then right on that bend there? Yeah. Right there's good, huh? Yeah. All right. All right, some nice people over here off the nice bosque telling us where there's another good spot we can go try out and let them keep their nice family deal going, and we're gonna keep on down and see what we can do to catch some more white bass. Woo-hoo! Man, that's cool. It's like we're beached shallow. I can see where the deeper bend is over there. I'll just go get around the corner. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. Got it. Here, got one right here. Got this guy coming up on us.
Mind if I take off right here in front of you? Oh, you're good.
I had to catch one right when he come up. That's a good spot right there, I can tell. See how tight the bend is here? And it's calm water? Much better scenario, but I don't know how good it's gonna be since that jet boat blew it out. get it on camera, but just cause that was there, so my boat turned. Alright, now we're good, huh? Should have done this one on the top. Pretty good action. There we go. Right there on my... Right there. Nailed that sucker too. Come on, quit playing around with it. Come on up here. Look at that, that was off that pink. My crappie rod. Oh, he just swam out sideways. Swam out sideways. Look what he did. Oh, he swam out sideways of me, dude. Oh, he tore that thing all to pieces. Look like they're still all just males, so we don't know what's going on. But we are at least catching a few. And we'll keep going, catching all these white bass. There you go. Okay, I'd like to apologize. My main camera went down on me, so I lost the great audio that I have for it. And I used a smaller camera on my hat because on the other side of this bank was this awesome young man, was catching a lot of fish, and we had great commentary. He was asking me all kinds of crazy questions. So let's continue on with the video, but sorry for the wind noise. You got another one? Look at him go! He's got that inline spinner, that's what I caught him on earlier. There, that little boy got 3 in a row right there on that spinner. Look like I need to go stand on the lucky side over there.
You ever go bass fishing?
Yep, I tournament bass fish for 20 years. He's got it on, don't he? There we go. I wasn't paying attention, mine got off. Bunch of jigs on it. Looks like school of bait fish. But there he is. Got him. I got one right here. Come on, two at a time. I want to see 2 of them on there. Sometimes I catch 2 or 3 of them on this rig at one time. He hit the back one. Look at there.
What do you do on your
Fish. Yeah. Teach people how to fish, how to cast, use rod reels. I teach people how to do all that stuff on my YouTube channel. Yes, Pro-Am, P-R-O-A-M Outdoors, and you can go watch it. And pretty good. Got some good stuff. Huh? No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's on again. I can sit here and watch him all day. Uh-oh, here's that guy again. He's coming on in and he's blowing out the hole we're fishing in with that jet boat. But you know what? It was a pretty good day anyway, so we headed on back down the North Bosque where we put in at. Robert Hendricks and I, we wound up catching quite a few of them on this episode. So remember, keep your line wet and your hook sharp. We'll see you next time here on Pro-Am Outdoors.